Hi guys, press the bell button and then subscribe. Hi guys, so I'm doing a foil painting. It's really easy for kids too and parents. So let's start. So I have a black chart, a photo that could help me, a board, a foil, and a pencil, and a knife. So guys, I have cut out a Eiffel Tower, and so I will place it right over here and start tracing. So now I'm done sketching, but guys, I need to tell you, if a kid is following me right now or doing this, you will have to really be careful with this sharp. And guys, you could do anything. You could make anything. You don't have to only make an Eiffel Tower. So I'm done cutting. So let's take it out. Oh, wow. It almost looks like my cutout. I need a board and a foil, and I will put this, but I'll take a different one that I already did. So this is how it looks like. It's very big. So you can make small, tall, big, and long. And this part, I did not draw it actually. I just took it from here. It's written Paris. As you could read. Guys, I from a sticker there I sticked the word Paris. Now I'm using some glue. So I have some glitter. You could take any color glitter. I have right now purple. So now I'll put some glitter. Now I'm done spreading the glitter. I will let it dry now. So guys, this is how my painting looks like. I know if I could do it, you could do it. And like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Until then,